Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, you'll learn a quick way to apply filters on visuals using the include and exclude menu option. To illustrate how to apply filters using the exclude or include menu option, I'm going to use this visual that's on the screen. This is from a previous video. So let's say I want to exclude the revenues that are below 0.3 billion. For example, this one here is below 3.3 billion. So I can select them. So I'll select that one. I hold down my shift key, select that, and select that one as well, that and that. So they all have values below 3.3 billion. I can then right click and there's an option to exclude. So if I click exclude, they will be excluded from the report. So you can see the report only contains the minimum revenue here is saying, if you look here, is above 0.3 billion. So I've been able to exclude that element of data from my visual. It doesn't remove it from the model, it just removes it from the visual side of things. If you take a look on the right, under the filters, we've got the filter area here. The filter tells you that I have excluded 5 items. So if I want to bring them back, I can just click on the X to remove the filter, and you can see they have all reappeared. You can do the same with include. So if I only want to include certain elements within my visuals, I can select them. Let's say I only want sales to be shown above 4 billion, 0.4 billion. So I can select the first one, select that, and select that, and maybe select this. Now I've selected the elements I want to show up in my visual. I can right click and there's an option to include, and you can see here it only includes the elements I have specified. Again, if you look in the filter area, I've got included here and it shows me 5 elements were included. If I want to revert back to the original way the visual was, I can just delete the filter or reduce the amount that I include. So I just click X to delete that filter, and that returns me back to the original view. So you can apply the same principle to any type of visuals to include or exclude data from your visuals. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.